strong spine, confident posture, osteoporosis, exercises for seniors. Hello, lovely friends. If you're looking to keep your spine strong and your posture proud, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through simple, safe exercises perfect for anyone with osteoporosis or anyone who just wants better posture and a healthier back. First things first, osteoporosis can make our bones fragile, but gentle movement is one of the best ways to protect and build bone strength. Before you start, remember to check with your doctor, especially if you have spinal issues or past fractures. Safety comes first. Let's start with posture. Sit tall, shoulders relaxed. Imagine a string lifting you from the crown of your head. Breathe in and out. See? Instantly taller and more confident. Now try the shoulder blade squeeze. Sit or stand. Gently squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for 5 seconds. Release. Repeat 10 times. This move strengthens upper back muscles and supports your spine. Ready for the wall angel? Stand with your back against a wall, feet a few inches away. Place your arms against the wall, elbows bent. Slowly slide your arms up like you're making a snow angel, then lower. Keep your head and back touching the wall. Repeat 8 to 10 times. This helps with shoulder mobility and posture. Let's move to the bird dog. Kneel on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Gently extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Hold for a count of 3 and switch sides. Do this 5 times each way. This strengthens your spine and improves balance. Now the seated march. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Lift one knee then the other as if you're marching in place. Keep your abs gently pulled in. Try for a minute. This one's great for hip stability and posture. And don't forget gentle stretches. A simple chest opener. Clasp hands behind your back. Straighten your arms and gently lift your hands while opening your chest. Hold for 10 seconds. This helps keep your chest open and your shoulders back. Remember, consistency is key. Just a few minutes a day can make a world of difference for your spine strength and posture. If anything feels uncomfortable, stop right away. Listen to your body and celebrate every small step forward. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you feel a little taller and a lot more confident. Stay strong, keep moving, and I'll see you next time.